Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to find your HCS Supplemental Resource Assignment Speaker's Message Through Choice of Text Structure in your ELA course. So I'm going to start by going to your Language Arts course. And since this is an HCS Supplemental Resource, we're going to scroll down, and at the very bottom, after all of your modules, you're going to see the HCS Supplemental Resource folder. Click on that, and we are looking for the assignment Speaker's Message Through Choice of Text Structure. So that's going to be your last one right here, Speaker's Message Through Choice of Text Structure. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And then you've got your directions step by step. It says authors organize their work in order to convey a particular message. Authors use text structures to develop their passage in order to get their idea or message across. So step one, you're going to watch the video called Text Structure Video, and that's right here below. So you're going to watch that. It's about a 9 to 10 minute video where the teacher goes through each of the different text structures. She defines them, she gives you clue words, she gives you a visual, and then she even goes over an example. I highly recommend watching this video because it's going to help you with your assignment. Step two is to print the text structure scenario exit slip and complete it, and then once you complete it, you can submit it. So the worksheet is at the bottom under attachments right here, text structure scenario exit slip. So I'm going to open that up. And for this assignment, you have a few different passages. So the directions read, it says, read the passage, identify the keywords that help you identify the text structure used by the author, then determine the message of the speaker based on the text structure of the passage. So here you've got 4 different passages. Just take a note that the second passage does carry on to the second page. But you have 4 different passages, and with each passage, you're going to be pulling out the key words that help you identify what the text structure is. So that's why you're going to want to watch the video, because the video is going to go over the key words for each of the different text structures so that you can have an easier time identifying them in these passages. And then once you pull out the keywords, you're going to then determine what the text structure is, and you're going to put it in the second box right here. And then you're going to talk to me, or you're going to write a few sentences on what the speaker's message is. So what is the speaker, whoever is writing this example, what are they trying to convey? What message are they trying to tell the reader? So I'm actually going to do this first one for you so you can kind of see as a guide. So for example 1, it says before the 1800s, it is estimated that over 100 million bison or buffalo roamed the American plains. Due to overhunting in the 1800s for their hides and meat, the American bison almost became extinct. Their numbers by the 19th century were estimated to be only a few hundred. So some key words here that I'm going to pull out to help me identify the text structure. The big one here is due to. And that shows me that this is a cause and effect relationship. So the information in this example is organized in a cause and effect organization or text structure. So the text structure for number 1 is cause and effect. And that key word that helped me identify that was due to overhunting. Okay, so the key word would be due to. The text structure is cause and effect. And then for the speaker's message, well, what are we learning from this example using that cause and effect relationship? Well, for the message here, we're learning that because bisons were overhunted, they almost became extinct. So there you can see that cause and effect relationship. Because the bison were overhunted, that led to the effect would be that the bison almost became extinct. So that's what you're going to be doing for example 2, 3, and 4. I just did number 1 for you. Pull out those keywords, identify what the text structure is, and then what are you learning from that passage because it's organized in that specific text structure. Okay? After you complete these 2 pages, you're going to go back to Buzz. And right here where you submit your work, you'll have a blue plus button where you can attach your worksheet.